Hi friends and friendly subscribers, welcome back to my channel. This is Inner Hill Tarot, and today we're going to unbox and have a short silent flip through. There will be no sound healing today, and also like a hot takes of this True Love Oracle by Belinda Grace, illustrated by Laurie Banks from Rockpool. I don't know why this oracle deck was published December 2022, but for some reason it doesn't gain traction. So maybe the artwork is not very appealing for people at this time. I don't know why, but I never seen this deck in any of social media, talking about it or doing something about it, flip through it. It's just never been discussed so far, so I'm kind of curious what is going on with this deck. So yeah, let's see what is going on. First of all, like all the Rockpool book deck, it comes with like nice little guidebook, not white necessarily, but quite nice guidebook, I think. And let's see, how is it about? True Love Oracle, what is it about? Oh, it's actually from 2015. And okay, so I guess it was a Rockpool already in 2015 and republished in 2022, so it's not new actually. Sorry guys. So this is definitely for relationship guidebook and oracle deck. Okay, so before we do it, like always, wow, now they have like a pink side gold pink edges that really highlighted the relationship heavy of this deck. I guess it's very interesting. Anyway, okay, so before we do this silent flip through, don't forget to what? Pam paranam pam pam. Yes, don't forget to subscribe, share, and comments. And also please let me know if you're enjoying this video or not in the comments. You can check my bio also for a lot of other things that can support me. Okay, so let's start this silent flip through. Enjoy guys. Okay guys, this been just like a very quick silent flip through of the True Love Oracle by Belinda Grace. And yeah, my personal take of this deck, it feels like very 2000s, you know, when a lot of things is very nicey things like this, with this like a boundaries, it's like a warrior woman in boundaries, for example, so with the teeth in here. So I'm not really sure what is this about. I have to read the guidebooks. What does this mean? Like a chivalry, like some of the attributes is really true meaning of a true romance, I guess, like chivalry. And he in here he looks like a Robert Downey Jr. to me. In like a, I don't know, it's like a weird Iron Man clothes when he goes out with the Piper Potts or something like that. That's just so funny with the chivalry, because he's the anti-chivalry of all time, right, in the Iron Man. So it is very interesting. And another classical images and like commitment, you know, compatibility and connection. It's all like very romantic feeling that I get. And I think the kind of like emotional wish on some things, you know, the two that important and I think interesting images is actually these two, which is talking about the distorted feminine and masculine. I mean, the masculine distorted image is very clear what it is. It's you know, the notion of time is money, you know, war and accumulation of wealth, things like this is very masculine. But the distorted feminine, I'm not really sure what is this. Is this about like bringing on fantasy, in emotional depth fantasy or something like that? It felt a little bit narcissistic in a way, and a bit too fantastical, impossible things to do kind of thing. So I kind of don't know what to think about this card, to be quite honest. I really have to read the guidebook. But the distorted masculine is spot on in my opinion. And to see the divine feminine and distorted feminine, for example, it looks quite similar. It's like very fantastical things, you know, like a divine feminine. Are we really wearing things like this? Or yeah, it's a bit odd. To me it's a bit odd anyway. The divine masculine is really nice with the Horus, you know, understanding of a sacred geometry and how to incorporate the energy, the animalistic energy within a person into something that he or she can manifest. Because I think masculinity and femininity is inside everyone, not based on gender. And so if, to me it's yeah, it's very interesting. It's something that you need to integrate within your psyche, basically. Emotional freedom with the unicorn, yeah, or a winged horse without the without the, you know, without thing, without the tusk. So yeah, I feel this deck is really sweet, and in a way compared to the deck that came out in like 2022 or 2023 or after the pandemic, after 2000, is very it's very sweet, a very innocent feeling about it, you know. So I guess if you have a reading for yourself, it's kind of like when you feel hopeless, I feel, when you feel like everything is down, I think using this deck together with Nicola Sessolid oracle deck, it will give you a juxtaposition a lot in your mind immediately, because this deck is just so sweet and feels like very innocent and very straightforward. And for example, a lot of decks that came out from like year, I don't know, 2017 onwards, there are loud decks, you know, like very highly opinionated and gender bending, gender fluid, and you know, break any rules possible in society. So I think it's a nice idea also to go back to this kind of deck every once in a while, to have this kind of like idyllic view of things. That is my opinion, and I will try to pair it up with decks that I have and see how does it pan out. Okay, so that's basically it for today, and it's a very short video, guys. Thank you so much. If you see this video, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. In case your friends need an idyllic deck like this to calm the emotion down, I think it's really good for that as well. So, and don't forget again to check my bio. You can find a lot of things there that can support me and support this channel to keep further along. And thank you so much for all the comments, all the subscribing, and all the time that you put in this channel. It's all really nice feedback for me. Thank you again, guys. Thank you for your time, and see you next time in the next video. Bye.